Hello, traders and trader aspirants. This is a video on how to place a Fibonacci extension in Power Etrade. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to this little spot here where it says none. It might also say any of these things if you've used the tool menu before. So you might already have a horizontal line, for example. And it would say line. But anyway, it should say, or it might say, none. And so you're going to click none. These are alphabetical. So you're going to scroll down to Fibonacci. It doesn't say whether they're extensions or retracements, but these are extensions. Once you click Fibonacci, you can change the colors if you like. I prefer purple and blue. So we'll look at what that looks like. Purple and blue. The color on the left is going to shade your area, and then the color on the right is going to be your lines. So if we wanted to make it yellow and green, we could do that. I don't find that appealing at all. So let's go back to purple. Which was my purple? And blue. Purple and blue. And there are plenty of videos out there on how to use Fibonacci extensions, which is what we have here, and how to use Fibonacci retracements and all that. But I'll just give a brief overview. Basically, what you're going to want to do is you're going to pick the bottom or the top of the trend change, and then you're going to click all the way up right before the next pullback. Or the next, indication of a potential trend change. And that's going to give you these levels. And you can see that it gives you support and resistance for the rest of the day. It's a beautiful thing. You can see it. See it got held up here at the 50%. And then it fell down and held at 0. Looks like this kind of held at 0. It's not an exact science. Trading is always, there's always some wiggle room, and then it comes back up to the 61% fib and gets held up there and falls the rest of the day, still over the 100% at the end of the day. Oh, I guess this was after hours. Anyway, the other direction, of course, is to go from the top to the bottom of the trend change. Let's see, where is it at? Looks like it'd be about right there. But I hardly ever do that. I usually just mostly use it when it goes up. Anyway, there's tons of videos out there on Fibonacci extensions and Fibonacci retracements, and that's not what this is for. Oh, also in Power Etrade, I like to square mine away, like I like to have it squared away, but you can also wiggle it around if you'd prefer a slant or however you desire. So, Fibonacci extensions. Thank you. Have a great day.